Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we have something truly captivating to share with you. It's the Off-White Cork Flooring, Terrazzo by Fauna. If you're a fan of minimalistic design and are looking for a flooring option that adds warmth and elegance to your space, then this is the perfect choice for you. First off, let's talk about the look. Terrazzo cork flooring is a minimalist's dream. It features a stunning off-white finish with subtle grey and blue undertones, giving it a clean, warm, and modern vibe. No busy patterns, no beige tones, just pure, uninterrupted elegance. Whether your style is contemporary or classic, this flooring will fit right in. And here's the best part: installation is a breeze. Thanks to the Uniclic system, a patented tongue and groove design, you can install this flooring without any glue. Plus, in many cases, you can lay it directly over your existing floor. How convenient is that? Each plank is 36 by 12 inches and 10 mm thick, with a 3 mm cork top layer, a 1 mm integrated underlay, and a 6 mm high-density fiberboard core. Terrazzo is perfect for basements. It's moisture-resistant, easy to clean, it's compatible with radiant heating systems. Now, let's talk sustainability. Cork is harvested from the bark of the cork oak tree, which means no trees are cut down in the process. A single tree can be harvested up to 50 times over its 300 to 500 year lifespan, making cork one of the most eco-friendly flooring options out there. Walking on cork flooring is like walking on a cloud. It's soft, warm, and super comfortable. Plus, it's shock-absorbing, which is great for your joints and spine. And did I mention it's resistant to mold, mildew, and rot? Perfect for basements or any room in your home. Terrazzo cork flooring isn't just functional, it's a design statement. It's stylish, sustainable, and built to last. So, if you're ready to transform your space with a flooring option that's as beautiful as it is practical, Terrazzo cork flooring is the way to go. Go icorkfloor.com to learn more or order samples.